there's a very famous saying that whoever knows himself knows his Lord, right? And that's the thing, that Allah Ta'ala placed us in a physical world that is governed by natural laws, where there are very clear ayat or signs of Allah Ta'ala's existence. And the foremost of those signs is the sort of the intricacy and the complexity of the human being. And once we actually begin to think and just even reflect upon, like I said, just the creation of the human being, that is really a way to know Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And again, that's why a lot of young people are struggling, because they're so disconnected from themselves. They're not grounded. And you can't blame them, because the adults aren't grounded. We're disconnected. We think that we're becoming more connected, through social media. But, studies have found that honestly, there's just that young people that spend a lot of time on social media end up becoming so disconnected from what's actually happening around